Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to today's video. Today, we're gonna. Nah, bro. No way. You didn't see nothing, bro. You didn't see nothing.
My bad, bro. My bad. Okay.
Yo, Dad.
You didn't see nothing.
I'm going.
Anyway, so
Hey, Grandma's doing something in the bed with Grandma.
so anyways, today's.
Hey, do that get out sound.
I don't have it.
And then I'll.
No, don't leave. Please. Just. I don't have the sound.
Grandma's doing something with Grandpa in the bed. It isn't you.
Bro.
We meet again, little bro. I know you're not little bro. Good luck getting big.
Bro. Wait.
What? No. When I reported you, I actually went through that, bro. Bro, you want to test me? Do that again, little bro.
Wait.
What happened here? Do that again.
Oh shoot. Okay.
What the hell is that?
There we go.
I'll snap your neck.
You can't do it. Only I can.
No, press it.
Built different. Oh, don't do it. Oh, dang.
Guys, I'm gonna go extreme mode, okay?
How do you do that?
Yeah, boy. Wee!
Oh my god! I gotta report
Yeah, bro. No, don't report me, bro.
No, please don't report him.
Don't report.
Report this.
If you report, I get banned immediately. So yeah. X Games mode. I'm on X Games mode, bro. That's all.
Games mode. How are you flying? Yo,
So basically,
Games
bye.
mode.
I don't have a mod when I lied.
What? Do it again. Do it
No.
again for my YouTube.
I said no, bro. I said no, which means no. If I say no, you say no. If you didn't say no, bro, I have a YouTube, bro. Can you see? This is my YouTube, bro. I don't want to, bro.
Like somewhere.
There we go. Guys, I gotta go.
Can you send the other people flying?
What?
Can you send the other people flying?
No, I can make you send me fly. Don't move,
Bro,
bro.
guys, be patient.
Bro, I said don't move. Do
Everybody
not
put your
understand.
hand up. Put your hand up,
Move.
guys.
Do
Put your
not
hand up.
move. Okay, punch me. Oh my. Punch me correctly, bro. Punch me, bro. Oh my god, bro. Punch me over there, bro. Stop punching me, bro. Punch. Oh shoot. Punch me, bro.
Bro.
My. Wee.
Attack him.
He did it.
Wait. Do a KO. KO.
KO. Bro, let me KO you. I'm KOing you.
Ooh. It's fine. Punch. Oh my god, bro. Stop punching me, bro. What did I do? Why is everyone? Oh my god, everyone's so strong, bro.
Stop fooling me. Didn't do nothing. Run.
Oh my god.
Run faster. Good job,
Bro, escape anything.
Guys, I'm gonna make it to glass. I can make it to glass. Sorry, I cracked my neck, bro. Stop punching me. Stop punching
Can
me.
you make me stop
Wait,
lagging?
can you make my head crack?
Can you make that I'm not
Can
lagging?
you make my head crack?
No.
First.
Don't do it to me.
Shut
do it
the
to me.
hell, bro.
Don't do it
Oh
to
my
me.
god.
Hey, you're not doing it.
I'm not gonna do it, bro. Where are you, bro? Where are you?
Man, not a girl.
I'm right here.
Okay.
Crack me. Oh!
Sorry. Wait. You. Where are you going, bro? Don't go. One, go over there. Bro, no. If there are more than one person, I'm gonna leave. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm leaving, bro.
Bro, guys, leave. He actually left. Aww. You will be
I can do it anyways.
your eyes up, bro.
Hello? I died.
I thought you left.
Anyways, one person, please.
Get
Only
over
one
here.
person. You will all get a turn. You will all get a turn. One, Boba, stay here. Everyone, get down. Everyone, get down. Boba, I'm sorry, bro.
Damn, you guys just got
No,
cracked
please, please.
up.
Bro, please.
Then you killed him.
There we go.
What happened?
Nothing. JK, you're not joking, bro.
My neck hurts.
Yeah, there we go. Wait, what is that guy
I don't
doing? You wanna die? Oh shoot. No, please. I fixed it. Please.
Bro's gonna snap every single person in this universe.
Oh my god, bro. Are you okay? Yeah, there we go. I did not do you, did I?
I will
TJ.
hit you now. Dong.
I should fix it, bro. Bro, fixed it. Gorilla? Oh my god. I'm sorry, bro.
How are you so strong?
Bro,
How are you
please.
so strong? Tell me your,
Bro, please,
tell me your
please.
secret.
Please. No.
I don't know that much.
You know what? Guys.
I got a glove. Back away from him.
You know what, guys, look at this. Guys, look at this, look at this.
What?
Oh shoot. Hi guys. Yo, I got a whole fence, bro. I have a YouTube channel. My channel is my name,
Guys, what's his name?
but
What's his name?
but it has monkey between project and 404. It's actually 404,
So Project Monkey 4.
but without the Y. Bye now. Join us. I should have seen the code. I'm so dumb. Oh my god, bro. Gonna see you in the next one if I find them again or not. I don't know.